When I turn the water feature on for the first time, client's face says it all. The first pump I used would have been Oase. That was about 15 years. And I use them as much as possible in my water features and ponds. Well, the biggest thing is that it doesn't leak. And the second thing is that it works properly. It comes back on me as a contractor. If I have a client ring me up after 2 years saying it's not working properly, and if it's because it's broken down, then it's not good for my reputation or for the brand, really. I get all my work through word of mouth and reputation, and so having a product like Oase that is reliable, does the job well, has good backup, just means I'm more confident and I'm going to be more likely to keep getting work. I have the confidence that when I turn that water feature on for the first time and the client sees that water flowing and brings them some joy and smiles, I've done my job. I'm happy.